Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to style an unordered list. Now first of all, let's go ahead and clear the unordered list first. To create the unordered list, we go to the body and put UL right here, and then close the UL with /UL. Inside of the UL, whatever we type, it's going to be in the unordered list. Okay, to create the list I put li and then close it with /li. Inside of this I'm going to type something, let's say apple, and I copy paste this one thrice because I'm going to create 3 bullet point. So copy, paste it right here, paste it again. Now let's change this one into something, coffee, and then this one, let's say biscuit. Okay, biscuit. Okay, biscuit. Now we have created the unordered list. Now let's go ahead and refresh this one. Now you can see this is our unordered list. Now okay, now we are going to play with this. Like here you can see the bullet points right here, right? We can change this one into different patterns. Like you can change it into square, you can change it into circle, you can put it many different things. I'm going to show you one by one. Okay, to do that we had to go below the style right here and type first let's turn this one into circle or something like that. Let's change this one into circle first. Okay, to do that I put unordered list first, UL, and then in the curly bracket list style dash style, and then type and then colon, and after that whatever the design you want to put, I will put circle. If I put circle right here and then close this one and close the curly bracket, and when I refresh this one you can see the bullet point changed into circle. Like that I can put the square as well. If I put square, it will change into square. And I remember one more thing. There are a bunch of things. I remember these 3 circle, square, and also another thing called katakana. It's like a language or something. I don't know what exactly it is, but it comes like this kind of design. Okay, it's kind of, I think some kind of language, 1 2 3 in another language. Okay, those are the design. Now the next thing is we are going to see we can also include a picture in this. That's for that one it's similar pattern, list style remains the same, but for this one type changed into image, img, and then we will have the colon, and after that we are going to put URL. Whenever you put an image on XHTML you have to put a URL all the time. So we put the URL right here, and whatever the URL name is going to be, whatever the picture name is going to be in the bracket. Let's grab one of my picture. Like here you can see I have a picture called f.png. I have a check mark called check.jpeg. Let's type that one, check.jpeg inside of this. Okay, check.jpeg, and when I refresh this one, okay, something wrong right here. UL image list style dash image dash. Okay, I had to type the full image name, image, not img, image, and then refresh this one. Now you can see the check mark is right here. It's going somewhere below. You have to choose a correct picture that shoots for this one. I don't know whether you can adjust this one. I will, if I figure out, I will explain you in the next videos. But you can always find out the bullet point kind of things on the website, you know. I just checked I just picked out a random picture, that's why it's appearing like this. Now the next thing is we are gonna see, okay, that's all basically. That's all. You can change into many different pattern. Okay, another thing I forgot to, okay, image URL. Okay, I make the next things in my next video. See you guys later.